Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am discussing to you fractions and types of fractions. So first, let's define what is a fraction. Fractions represent the equal parts of a whole. When you divide a whole, the equal parts called fraction. So number in these forms are known as fractions. For examples are 1/4, 1/2, 1/5, and etc. Fractions has two parts. The top part is called the numerator and the bottom part is called the denominator. What is a numerator? Numerator is the number of equal parts which have been taken out or which have been left out. What is a denominator? Denominator is the total number of equal parts in which whole is divided into. Fraction. The denominator cannot be 0. Why cannot be 0? If b or the numerator or the denominator is 0, then the fraction will be not defined as we cannot divide anything by 0. So if the b is 0, it is not a fraction but it is a whole number. Various types of fraction. The fractions which have their denominator as 10 or higher powers or 10 are known as decimal fractions. So fractions with 10 or higher denominators, they are called decimal fractions. Proper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Examples of these are 9/10, 1/4, 1/2, 1/3, and many more. All these are proper fractions. Improper fractions are the fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 6/5, 5/4, that's some examples of improper fractions. So proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fractions. Whenever we perform a normal division on a proper fraction, the answer will always be less than 1. So when we convert into decimal the 1/4, the answer is 0.25. Improper fractions. Whenever we perform a normal division on an improper fraction, the answer will be always more than 1. So when we perform a divide in a 5/4, the answer will always 1.24. So here are some examples on how to divide improper fraction. 5/4. Let's put the 4 as a divisor and 5 as the dividend. So 5 divided by 4 equals to 1. There is a remainder 1. So the quotient is 1 over 1 and 1/4. So mixed fractions is another way of writing improper fractions. So that would be all my discussion for today. Thank you for listening and watching.